Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to discuss how you can speed up your Android phone with very common steps you are avoiding from a long time. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first thing which I will suggest is factory reset. Sometimes starting from scratch can be a blessing in disguise. Factory reset is one of the safest options to give your old smartphone a fresh new start. But for your own safety and security, you should back up all your phone's data before setting everything back to default. That is performing a factory reset. If you don't know how to factory reset your smartphone, just go to YouTube, or you are already on YouTube, just click on the search bar and search factory reset, then your mobile device number or model name, and you will find a very good tutorial about how to factory reset your particular smartphone. The next step you should definitely take is update to the latest Android version. Everyone in a while, electronic devices such as laptops, smartphones and tablets need a software update. It is very important for the devices to stay up to date with the latest software, since it helps improve a number of bugs and brings stability to the device, and which will directly increase the performance of your smartphone. Not if you own an Apple smartphone, then don't update your smartphone. That will be quite helpful for you. If you don't know how to update your Android smartphone, just go to settings, then go to a software update. There will be a particular section about it, and just click on it and just click on the download and install, and you are ready to go. And or you can watch tutorial as I mentioned earlier. Just click on search bar and search software update for your particular mobile device name or number, whatever you call it. And next, which is the most crucial thing you should do, if you don't want a factory reset or to update, you can do update, but the next step after updating your device is optimize your phone storage. It is very important to keep your phone storage at optimum level, meaning don't overburden it with unnecessary things to the extent that there's very little free space. That is the thing or the point which I think I don't need to explain, because we all need space. So that's all our smartphone or laptop wants. They need space, so give them, okay? Don't overburden them. So if you don't know how to clear your Android phone, just go to YouTube, search, and that's all. You will be ready to go. Or you can if you want to clear storage, you can delete some unused apps from your app drawer. That will be quite helpful. And next step you can do is close or disable heavy background apps. If you are not using Drive or the Hangout or Facebook, just uninstall it. The all bloatware which comes from the manufacturers, just disable it or delete it, whatever your Android allows you. Just disable it or uninstall it. After doing all those steps and your smartphone still hangs a little bit, so what you need to do is you have to move to the lighter version of the apps. Like we have Facebook Lite, we have Instagram Lite, we have YouTube, we have Google Lite. Every popular app have their lighter version for the less performance based devices. The next thing which I don't support, but my friends said that it is quite helpful for most of the Android phones, is by installing a custom ROM, which I'm not suggesting you, but you can try at your own risks. So that's all what I can say for this custom ROM thing. And last but not the least, which you should don't do ever to speed up your devices, installing another app which boost up your smartphone performance. They promise that this app will boost up your mobile devices enormously, but they make it slow. Yes, they make it very slow. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe our YouTube channel and drop down any kind of query, and have a great decade.